Hello students, I am Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gyan School and today we will continue our 6th standard science chapter number 6 changes around us, and today's topic is periodic and non-periodic changes. So first we learn about periodic changes. What are the periodic changes? Periodic changes are done and change after a one regular period. For example, you can see here this girl is swing, right? So she is taking a same time from here to here and back again to here. So their place will be changed after a one period, right? So another example is pendulum. You can see this is the bob, this circular things is called bob, and this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C. When point B, this is the bob, and when bob is moved from A point and take a some time, and it is come back to the B point and goes to the again C and come back to the C. So it will be change their position from here to here and here. So it will be take a time and regular time, and this is the call, this is the example of periodic changes. Means after a period it will be change their position from here to here and there to there. Okay, after a time, after some time, the bob is changed their place from here to here, but take a time. After a period, after a regular interval, the bob is changed their place. Understood? Now we will see more example of periodic changes. So you can see the clock, right? This is the clock. So you can see the clock. This is the periodic changes example, because after a period the minute hand or hour hand moves their place, right? From minute hand is moving from like that. After a one period it come back their own position. Suppose it start from here and move from here to here to here and come back to their own position. So it is a periodic change. After a period it will be changed. After a period it will be changed. It is come from here to here, then here to here. Same like our hand, it after a period it will be changed their position. It will become to 12th point, right? And after a period it will be goes to 1. So it take a time, and in the regular period interval it will be changed. Now heartbeat, you can touch your heart and feel the heartbeat. It will be periodic changes. After a period you can feel your heartbeat is going on, tick tick tick, right? Now moon phases example is a periodic change. After a period, after a regular interval, it will be changed their shape. Like after 15 days we can see the full moon and no moon, right? So it is an example of, this is the example of periodic change also. Bell, when we play the guitar or a tabla in any music on any song, then it will be plays after a one period, not any type of you can play. You can play, you can beat at a time, and it is a regular interval, regular period. So it is an example of periodic changes. Now we will see here non-periodic changes. What are the non-periodic changes? Non-periodic changes, those changes which occur once in a while, are called non-periodic changes. For example, sneezing, coughing, rain anytime. Rain is the season, and seasons are the periodic table. Suppose after winter comes the after winter come the summer seasons to the winter season. It is a periodic change. But rains come anytime, means in a summer sometime it's come on summertime any day, it is come on rainy season also, it's rain is come in the winter season also. So it is a non periodic change. It is not take a time, but seasons are periodic, not a rain. Seasons, rainy season is a periodic, but rain is not a periodic. Okay, so these are the periodic changes. For example, you can feel hungry and you make a food, right, and eat it. It is a non periodic change. Non periodic change, why? Because it is not make a take a regular interval, right? It not take a period ki after 2 hours you can make food and after 2 hours you can make food. You can make food when you feel hungry. So it is a non periodic change, and these are examples are also non-periodic change: sneezing, coughing, rain, and volcanoes, earthquakes, and etc. Okay. Now changes, why changes are going on? Because changes can be caused in many different ways. For example, by mixing. When we mix anything, it will be change, right? Suppose when we mix the lemon, sugar, and water, the simple water will change into juice, right? By heating. When we heat the candle, it will be change their shape, means long to short. By applying force, suppose you squeeze the toothpaste, their shape will be changed, right? So applying force, we can change the things. By mixing and heating, when we mix and heat, when we cook the cake, first we mix many things, many ingredients, and then we heat it, so it will be changed into cake. So these are the examples why the changes happen, because causes are there. See the example of force. When we apply the force, or when we mix the things, when we mix water in the flow, it will be changed into dough, right? And apply the force, it will be take different shapes. Here we can apply, suppose we have a ready-made dough, already have a dough, and it will be changed into chapati, okay, rolled chapati. So when we applied the force on the roll, on the ball of dough, it will be changed their shape. When we applied the force, means when we applied the force, their shape will be changed, and after changing the shape, when we give them heat, it will be changed in their structure. It is a raw and it is a cooked. So changes caused by heating, pressure, mixing, and etc. Okay. Now student, you can see here there are the many tools are often, right? These tools are used by a farmers. The tools are often heated before fixing wooden handles. Okay. But how the iron things, how the iron blades in this the fixed to the wooden handle. So now we learn here how it is fixed into the wooden handle. You can see the bullock cart anywhere. You can, if you see the bullock cart, you can see these wheels. These wheels are attached with the carts, right? So how these iron frame, these are the iron frame, this is the iron frame, how these iron frames are attached here in wooden, fixed, totally fixed, right? Here you can see the iron blade is fixed in the wooden handle. These iron blade is wooden fixed into the wooden handle. How it is possible? So this is the process, this process of heating and cooling find many useful application in industries and these things also. So it is an example. Okay? It fixed iron rim on the bullock cart wheel. Bullock cart wheel have a wooden wheels, right? These are the wooden wheels. So these are the wooden wheels. These wooden wheels are fixed into the iron rim to make them last longer. The iron rim is made slightly smaller. This is the iron rim, and this is the made slightly smaller than to wooden diameter. Okay, the iron rim is heated. When we it will be heated. Iron rim is heated in dry dung cake fire. Due to this rises temperature, it expand, right? Their size will be increases. This hot rim is then put on the wooden wheel. Okay, this hot rim is put into the wooden wheel and cooled by the pouring water over it. On cooling, the iron rim contract and hold the wheel firmly. Okay, so this type we can fix the iron ring to the wooden wheel. Okay, so now next, this is the example many times we learn wax, right? By giving heat, you can see here, by giving heat the candle shape will be changed. But and here also when we burn the candle, the thread shape will be changed, and it will be chemical change, and here is the physical change, and it is a non-periodic, right? It is a non-periodic. When we when we burn the candle, okay, not after 2 hour, after 3 hour, we cannot continuous burn the candle. So it is a non-periodic changes, physical change and chemical change also. Okay, now our this lesson is finished here. Thank you. Bye.